everyone, welcome to the channel once again. JB here. Excited you're with me. As I always say, this is a community more than a channel, and I welcome you and would love to hear your comments below as we talk about these awesome devices that we continue to review, unbox, think about productivity tips, etc. It's a place to come almost every day for videos, and I'm going to give you some energy, at least that. So Larry, one of our subscribers, is saying, hey, JB, you got to check out the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. So I did. I went ahead and ordered this. With it all in, it was about $750. I'm looking at it to compete with the iPad, right, which I have here, and we'll do some videos on that. But the other thing is I need to get the keyboard. So we're looking at probably about a $900 investment all in to compete with the iPad Pro, which is my daily driver. One of the things we're going to look at too is if the pen works with the Remarkable or the Note Air, which is going to be interesting to see as we get into this. But let's look at, this will just be an unboxing video. Let's get the Orb out and take a look at this and see what we've got in the box. The packaging, actually, I was looking at it to the iPad, and one of the things that I was looking at was like the iPad itself is bigger than the box, right? So right ahead, I was like, wow, the iPad's a little bit bigger, but we'll see with screen size and everything once I get out of the box. I hear the screen on this is OLED. I hear it's amazing. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we've got in here. So the box is undone. It comes in pretty good box. Came just straight from Amazon. I'll put the link in below where I bought it. I bought it at Amazon. Comes in a nice felt, like, I don't want to say paper, kind of soft feel of a whatever you call this, like bag. It's like a, I don't know, a bag type of thing. All right, so let's see. Here it is. I hate to get my fingers all over it already. Oh, somebody had their finger on it here. That always bothers me, right? There looks like there's a fingerprint there. Okay, so here is the screen, and we can see that it is here as I almost drop it. On the back is where the pin goes. Okay, so let's just put it up against the iPad, and we'll just take this and shut that off so it's all dark, and you can kind of see the size difference already. It's got a nice size to it, right? I kind of like the form factor. But just a little bit smaller than iPad Pro. I think you can see that. Okay, so that's kind of cool. All right, let's look at the pen and how that works. Okay, so in the box we have a charger. It's nice, Apple does not include chargers anymore, so it's nice to see that. That comes in here in a little box, and then we have a cable, which is black, and I went with the black cable, or the kind of the gray and black. It says AKG on the back. So let's go ahead and take a look at this cable. And that is just USB-C. This is pretty standard. And we plug this in, and let's see how it plugs in, where it's at on the side. It's got 4 speakers on it. I'm really anxious to see how it sounds. So it plugs in there, pretty nice. And then we've got, what else? Some documentation probably in the box. That's what that looks like. And then this pen that I really wanted to try out here and see if it's, I put the silicone tip on the iPad to kind of make it feel a little better. It doesn't work on the iPad, just testing it. But it doesn't feel too bad. I heard this actually works on the Remarkable. The pen feels pretty good. Let me just pull up a note here. Let's just go to a new note, and let's just try this out. Oh, yes. This actually does feel pretty good. I think it feels better than the... It actually feels really good. I see why some people are using this Stylus now with the Remarkable too. It feels really good. Let's take the Note Air out and just take a look at it. Let me just flip on the Note Air. I got it in dual screen right now, but let's see. I have a paper feel screen protector on this, and it feels good. Their nibs are great. I don't know. I got to do research, and I will, on if these are replaceable. They got to be replaceable, aren't they? And it's got a little button on it. So what I want to do, and I don't know if we're going to do this today, let me just fire it up and see what happens, because I got to set it all up, but I don't even know how to turn it on. Okay, up here. Let's just take a look at it real quick. And like I said, this is not a review. It's just kind of to go through the product. I'm probably going to charge it up tonight and see. Okay, there we go. Galaxy Tab S Plus, powered by Android. I hear this is the first really cool Android tablet. Pin goes on the back like that. That's different. I am going to get the keyboard so I can really test it out because they have a flap on the keyboard that I think actually works out really good. This is starting Android. Some of you have to put at the bottom what Android tablet this is. English, let's go. Let's go ahead and swipe it and see what we got. I think we do the pin. Oh, there we go. Okay, terms and conditions. We'll just do this later and just take a look at this and we can set it up later. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and sign in and then we'll be right back to do a first look at this. Okay, I am in. Took me, I don't know, 10 minutes to get everything set up to kind of get it going. And I gotta tell you, I really like the speed of it. It just seems super fast. We'll do some comparisons to see if this could take on my iPad. I definitely need the case, right? That's the next thing. But as far as the writing goes, I kind of want to see this because on our channel, obviously, this is the big thing. These notes could be really cool, and I'm really looking forward to working with this Samsung Notes that is really kind of a cool thing. So if we come in here, I'm rushing through this, which I shouldn't do, but let's go ahead and put a new note in and see if we can do it with the pen. I think I just go here. I just want to see how it feels. I also hear that it's pretty cool that we can do the back screen, which is cool, but let's go ahead and try this. This is JB's first. Sorry for the scroll. That's because of the way the camera works. Note. It actually feels pretty good, guys. I mean, this actually feels decent. It's not, you're still writing on glass, but it's a better experience than the iPad, I can tell you that right now. I'm anxious to play with this and really try it out. Test. This is the first time I've ever had a Samsung thing. It's quick, it's fast. Let's see, I mean, it's intuitive. I mean, I'm just doing this myself. I know there's some gestures you can use too, which are pretty cool, which I got to learn. I mean, I've never used a Android tablet like this before. I don't know how to turn up the brightness a little bit, but can I go like this? So I guess it has to be in, I don't know if I can use it in landscape. Let's see, try. Yeah, it makes a little writing noise too. This is crazy. Feels okay. Wow, I can see why this is a competitor. I can see why people love this device. We're going to play around with it a little bit more. I just want to get it unboxed. I can't wait. If you've got some suggestions below in the comments, let me know. And by the way, join our Facebook group. It's Tech Talk with JB on Facebook. I'll leave the link below in the description. We've got everybody. We're going to be talking about these things, and I'm ready to challenge it against the iPad. I'll have my keyboard in probably next week. I'll get it all charged up. Tomorrow I'm going to do some Rocketbook videos, but then we'll get back to this and we'll start doing some different reviews. And then we're going to talk about the productivity tools and how we want to use these devices, which is really cool. So I'm excited to start playing with the Samsung and add Android to our channel and iPad. So we've got a couple different devices, Note Air. I have all these devices. So one of the things I want to do is, it's talking to me. We want to make sure we're covered them all and here on the channel. And I appreciate you the thumbs up because it helps the channel. And as I always say, this is more of a community than a channel. And we do videos every day. And I'm going to try to bring you the ideas to help you with these devices to divide what's best for your workflow. But not only that, within the framework of the community, what is everybody doing that I can learn the secrets so I can teach you too as we utilize these different devices. I'm having a blast. So we'll see you over in our Facebook group, see you in the comments below, or see you in the video tomorrow. Thanks for watching. We have the new Samsung in the house. Got to get it charged up, start playing with it, get the keyboard here. I think this thing's great. I love the note aspect. This is really cool. So we're going to learn this thing. I don't know if I like this pencil in the back though, but hey, we're going to play with it and have some fun. Thanks for watching. Go have a great